Yeah, yeah, yeah. On me, yeah. No escaping from my mind, but low key. You know that you one of a kind, wanna show me, baby. The things you feel do with that body, yo. Show up everywhere that I be, yo. All you wanna do is party, yo. I know, I know. You are the type that they warn me about, yeah. When I'm with you, all the wrong feels so right, yeah. She the real thing, but she cold-hearted like Greenland. Church girl moving like a queen pen. Hey, nyama tengwe olo, nyama tengwe olo, nyama tende olo, nyama tende olo. She said, let me know when you ready for me, ready for me, ready for me. She said, let me know when you ready for me, ready for me, ready for me, yeah. Nyama tengwe olo, nyama tengwe olo.
What's up, y'all? So I have to vlog on my phone because I could not bring my camera. It is raining, as you can see. I'm in a poncho, but we're hiking in the rainforest. So, and then we're going to a waterfall. So yeah, y'all gonna have to see all the clips from this phone because it is what it is.
Place we're at yesterday. This bamboo, actually this isn't as thick as the one today. Only took 3 or 4 years to grow.
Yeah, I just, you prefer wet. I prefer, no, I prefer cold. Really. Yeah, it's just for me, it's the cold, I can't do it. I think my body and my bones and my blood is
About like that big where we were yesterday.
That's how thick it was.
Yeah.
Oh hell no! I hope our ankles can make it past all this. Woo.
You guys got some good support shoes on too.
Yeah.
Not too bright in my damn self, so. Oh no, it's fine. My phone is, I just can't get this.
Period, y'all.
Can you get in the pocket?
What pocket?
All the services minus this one.
Well, you were saying, I wonder what it was like in
2018.
By the way, the sun is out.
Yay!
Shut down.
Yes.
Granted, that's a little bit.
I'm about to put my bathing suit on.
Oh my God, I am ready. They beautiful.
I'm about to put my bathing suit on. We're at the waterfall now. And I just got in the water. That water is cold as shit. But it's fresh, natural, and just look, y'all. Like, we're just swimming. This is the first waterfall. We have another one. We have like 3 more to go to. But yeah, I changed into my swimsuit. And we out here. But yeah, the water looks so good. It feels so cold. It's like called the blue hole or something like that, but it's real good. I'm gonna show y'all. And we're in the rainforest. No idea what this says. So any of y'all Spanish people, let me know. But yeah, it's like the waterfall is like right here. But this is a little waterfall. But yeah, you can see right here. It's like a little mini waterfall. It's so nice out here. But yeah, we're gonna take a swim. Fucking mountain. We had to go underneath bridges. I done fell twice, but slipped, not fell. I slipped twice, and now we're at the waterfall, and all these rocks are so slippery, y'all. Like, I'm fucking dying. But look back here. Like, we have to go back up this narrow road up there, and there's like fucking tree branches and shit. And like I said, I literally fell and busted my behind twice. So I'm just gonna sit here and relax. I already got in the water. And we're just gonna chill. Cause no, I can't do it. I'm over it. over it. But I'm not really over it. It was just the slipping. I fell twice. I'm dead. I fell twice, y'all. Twice. Down this fucking mountain. Lord help me. I think that man about to slide down this waterfall, y'all. They're crazy out here because I'm not. That's a no for me. Oh, hell nah.